Hi folks, another short. This is what a 1500 calorie diet looks like. We have pasta with lots of vegetables, onions, and stir-fried greens with fettuccine and mushrooms and these. I've been trying to figure out how to chop up these soy cubes. It's fake meat basically. And it's made out of soy. It comes from Japan. And God, that's horrible. But this is 1500 calories. I have fish sticks fried because I have to feed people. So fettuccine, the horrible soy cubes, and we have stir-fried greens, that's Chinese broccoli, and we have fish sticks. Remember, folks, I'm feeding 16 people and 4 children, so this is a nice balance. And plus, they'll get a side salad, of fresh fruit. I've been cutting back on the cupcakes because my friend who's a nutritionist keeps complaining I'm overfeeding the kids. So this is a healthier alternative. It is all that, and it costs me about $3.75 per meal for 16 adults and 4 kids. You try to do that.